I used to think life would feel different by 40, like I'd wake up one morning and everything would make sense. I'd have the answers, the confidence, the perfect routine. But instead it feels more like this. I wish my mornings started with meditation or some peaceful routine. Cleaning the litter box. Not exactly the glamorous start of the day, but here we are. Then it's the daily challenge of getting teenagers out the door for school, which somehow requires 12 reminders, 3 papers that needed signing from yesterday, and a level of patience I'm still developing. Parenting teenagers is heavy sometimes. They don't need you the way little kids do, but they still need you. They need space, they need boundaries, they need rides, they need snacks, they need you to stop talking, they need you to keep talking, they need independence, they need reassurance, sometimes all within a 5-minute span. And I'm learning that the morning rush, the chaos, the attitude is all part of the last chapter of Kids at Home.
I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom.
You might as well show those banners and let people vote. Just unless you have your favorite.
I don't. I like them all. So it's like, I'll let her choose.
I definitely like 3 with like the funky looking hosiery socks. Those are cute.
I like 3 because of her legs.
Yeah, I like that top. Those are so fun.
It was a very fast, like, I don't know, just like
I do
exactly
like
what you
that
would want
busy
from a banner.
one. I like that, like, where it's the bunch of them in the back. The one.
And we're gonna have to do this one more time, probably on.
And some days look like this. My body just tapped out. I got the flu. I was so sick, and when I get sick, it's very depressing for me because I like to be productive, and when I can't be productive because I'm sick and not well, it makes me go crazy. So I had to really stay soft with myself and remind myself, okay, this is gonna pass, this is temporary, just rest.
Room's too bright, turn off the lights, talk to me nice. You were by my side, and that's why I hate to see you cry. That's why I hate to see you cry. And that's why I hate to see you.
What's in here? What's in here, Doja?
Have an undercoat, which means that they're less prone to matting and they're silky smooth, fluffier. They all to have.
What's in here, Boots?
This little one really loves to kind of hang and swing.
Bro.
What I really love about these little
There we
ones
go.
is they're very affectionate, and they just the occasional kind of brush over everything. And
These are my eyebrow scissors. I got new bedding. Let's wash it. And then there are nights that feel like a movie. So I decided last minute to vlog.
I helped.
And Mariah and Bianca.
Yeah, actually it was Mariah and Bianca. That's right.
Going to a wedding. We love weddings, first of all. We haven't been to a wedding in a hot minute.
My nephew. It's been over a year.
Yes.
So it's been over a year, and it was fun.
And who's getting married?
My nephew's getting married. So I have, damn, how many nephews do I have? 5 nephews. And he's getting married to his beautiful bride. It's exciting. Do you like my fit?
Yeah.
I actually look good, babe. We'll shoot.
We'll insert some pictures right here.
Yeah.
Bianca and Mariah were like, "Are you gonna vlog tonight?" And I was like,
She was being shy. She gets shy. And I'm always like, with me, you can't be shy. Like, it's okay. Like,
yeah.
This is fun.
And you should vlog tonight too from your POV. Now that I'm thinking
okay,
about
fine.
it. But yeah, we're on our way. Look at how cool the clouds look on the camera, like here.
That's amazing. Look at this. You're gonna love where we take pictures. This is where I want to take you hiking, actually.
It's almost time, springtime.
Yeah. We're gonna be quick on pictures, but I wanted to come in anyways.
Oh, it's so it's just begun. And there's something on the tip of your tongue. Don't stay quiet. Things that we keep. You're on fire. So burn it with me. Leave it behind.
There we go. What do we got to say? What do we got to say?
I can't wait. You know we love our weddings. Oh, look at your glasses. Those are dope, dude.
Cool, huh?
I love them.
Good to see you, man.
This is my girlfriend Casey right here, boys.
Hi, hello.
John, this is Jackson.
Nice to meet
Let's go, boys. This is the groove. You know the groove.
Oh, come here. Thank you.
How you doing? Casey. This
Hi.
is Scott.
Nice to meet you. I'm gonna put music over this. We're just walking.
Oh shoot, the jacket does fit. It hits, babe. Okay, we're gonna have to walk through. Salud.
Natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdom be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like I can shoot. And I swear it's real. Feels like I can shoot. Will you ever know you don't know my name? And when we're making love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
And some days I get to paint. This is for Bianca. She loves Billie Eilish.
Welcome to the real world where you finally are awaking. When you start to see the future and the chances you're not taking. You say one day I'll be president, maybe an astronaut. Travel around the world to find the person that I forgot to be. You've been so busy thinking you know everybody else. You should know yourself.
You ain't even gotta impress me. If the main goal is to undress me, that's the only thing that I'm addressing. At the Hollywood like you inventing, as if you wasn't eating me for breakfast. Stop talking to me, listen when I'm venting. I'm the one who mess up on your bedding. You're pointing fingers at me like I'm selfish. But you only call me when you're alone. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. Am I the ending in your map? Like what's the point of coming back? Down bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last. Oh, tattoos matching, make me snort while I'm laughing.
I don't feel old. I don't feel young either. I just feel somewhere in the middle of everything, in the middle of raising kids who suddenly don't need me the same way they used to, in the middle of a career that for the first time actually feels meaningful, in the middle of figuring out who I am now that so many chapters of my life have already been written, and also possibly in the middle of perimenopause, which, from what I can tell, is just your body quietly starting a new phase without really consulting you first. 40 isn't some dramatic chapter. It's not the finish line. It's not some midlife crisis waiting to happen. It's just another page in the same story. A little wiser, a little more tired, a little more honest about what actually matters. And for the first time in a long time, I'm trying not to rush ahead, trying to figure out what happens next. I'm just here, in the middle of it, and honestly, it's not a bad place to be.